सो हम हैं हैदराबाद के IBIS होटल में। ये रूम सिंगल ऑक्यूपेंसी रूम है एंड ये होटल आई थिंक 3 स्टार होटल है, नॉट डाउनग्रेडेड, फ्री में ठीक है। तो एज यूजुअल फर्स्ट हमारा इमरजेंसी एग्जिट प्लान, की कार्ड एंड हियर दिस इज आवर रूम। Okay, one queen size bed we have here, night lamp, छोटू सा cute सा TV, Samsung that too, and I don't know. Okay, and I think we have got almirah. As usual, pillow, extra pillow here. Okay, and if you need something. Okay, this is a feature जो कि खाली है, कोई चाहिए तो मंगा लो। This is your study kind of table, or if you want to work you can work. Okay. This is the view, better than expected, but still we have bottles, okay, coffee, tea, sugar, 2 cups, kettle, okay, I don't know this brand but glasses, sofa, portable and maybe remote. Now washroom. Okay, it's congested but okay. I mean, still we have got shaving kit, I don't know for what, dental kit, drying machine and body lotion, hand wash, okay. And here, how? Okay. Coffee, congested तरीके से बनाए but still okay, that's fine. That's all.